Hi everybody and welcome. We're making some delectable ginger chicken today, Indian style, and we're starting with a 1.5 pound bowl here of chopped chicken thighs. I'm using cage-free chicken thighs. I've skinned it, removed any excess fat, rinsed it well, and they're in small bite-sized pieces. Now for our ginger chicken, we need 1 small white onion diced, 1 small Roma tomato chopped into medium pieces, and here we're using 2 kinds of ginger. I'm using fresh ginger, julienne into thin long strips, and right here I have ginger paste. So I'm using store-bought ginger paste. You can always use fresh ginger paste. A 1/2 teaspoon of turmeric powder, some red chili powder for heat or spice, a tablespoon of coriander powder, small amount of chopped cilantro leaves, and a few green chilies slit. So I'm using Thai green chilies, and we're going to be making this on a pan. For creaminess, you can always add some yogurt. I have here some Greek low-fat plain yogurt that we can use with our chicken. It gives it a nice slightly thick sauce and a tenderness to the chicken. So we're making it on a pan, and I have on the stove a pan that I'm heating with some oil in it. So we're going to start first by throwing in the green chilies and adding the diced onions. So we're going to fry these onions till they are gently browned. It'll take a few minutes. So once our onions brown, we can start adding the remainder of the ingredients one at a time. As the onions brown, you can start adding all of the ingredients, starting with the ginger paste, chili powder, turmeric, and the coriander powders, along with the tomato. We're going to cook this on low flame till our powders cooked and our tomatoes are half smashed or half cooked down. You can add a little water at this point so it does not burn. Just rinse out any leftover ginger garlic paste, or any ginger paste or powders, and continue cooking it down. So we can now add our chicken. Just dump it in. Some salt to taste. We're trying to get this as dry as we can, with maybe a very, very small amount of masala stuck to the chicken. So you can increase the heat and continue cooking. At this point, we can add about a tablespoon nice thick Greek yogurt. We're going to give it a quick stir. Make sure all of the salt, the yogurt, the masala is incorporated and covers the chicken. The chicken is nice and dry. As you can see, it has a very thin masala that's coating it. We're about to serve, and so just tear in some of the leaves, cilantro leaves, into it. We had our julienne ginger. We're going to sprinkle some of that and reserve some for garnishing on your serving plate. We're ready to put it into a bowl. It has a mild hint of ginger and really good spice from the red chili powder. And finally, some more ginger right on top here. So here you have it, a delicious and spicy ginger chicken fry. Enjoy.